Hello everyone, you are watching Bhavya's Food Art. In today's video, I am making the recipe of dahi ke kebab ki chaat. Dahi kebabs are typically prepared from hung yogurt and have a very rich and creamy texture. These are the tastiest kebab recipes I have ever tried and can be a great party starter as it has totally different taste and texture from the other kebabs. Before starting, if you are new here, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button for all the notifications. Now let's start. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of hung yogurt, 200 grams of grated paneer, 2 medium-sized chopped onions, breadcrumbs of 3 bread slices. I have used brown bread here. And now mix together all these ingredients but with very light hands. Once mixed properly, add 1/4 cup of chopped cashews, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon crushed kasuri methi and 1 finely chopped green chili. And now combine well all the masalas in the paneer yogurt mixture. Finally add half a cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix with your hands. While mixing, you will observe that this kebab mixture is very soft and creamy. Once everything is mixed properly, refrigerate this mixture for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take small amount of mixture in your hands and make round shaped kebabs. Once you have shaped all the kebabs, take some breadcrumbs in a plate and coat all the kebabs in breadcrumbs from all the sides. With this mixture quantity, you will be able to make 10 to 12 kebabs. Now heat a tawa. Once the tawa gets hot, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and with the help of a brush, spread all the ghee evenly. Now one by one start placing the kebabs on tawa. Make sure that the flame is low to medium, otherwise the kebabs may get burnt from the bottom. You can brush some ghee wherever it is required. Cook the kebabs on low to medium flame till both the sides turn golden brown and crispy. If you want, you can also deep fry these kebabs on low flame. As you can see, our kebabs are cooked properly and they look very crispy. Now let's turn these kebabs into a tasty chaat. Take 2 kebabs in a plate. Top the kebabs with some curd around 2 to 3 tablespoons. On the top of curd, spread some imli sauce and some tomato ketchup. If you want, you can also add some green chutney. Now top the sauce with some namkeen, aloo bhujia and some matris. On the top of namkeen, again spread imli sauce, tomato ketchup and some curd. Well, this is my way to decorate my chaat, but it's totally up to you how you want your chaat to be. Finally, you can also garnish the chaat with some freshly chopped coriander. It's such an amazing and tasty chaat recipe that when you will taste it, you will have a burst of flavors in your mouth along with rich and creamy taste of our dahi ke kebabs. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and share your feedbacks. Thanks for watching.